Heavy periods can be frustrating, right? They leave you tired, uncomfortable, and struggling to keep up with your day. But here's the good news. You don't have to let heavy periods take over your life. There are natural and simple ways to make them easier to handle. These aren't complicated or expensive solutions. They're practical tips that anyone can try at home, and they actually work. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to feel more in control. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join us at Earthluxe for more easy and natural health tips. Let's get started. You're going to love how simple these changes are. What does heavy flow mean? First, let's understand what a heavy period really is. It's not just a lot of blood. If you're soaking through a pad or tampon every hour, your period lasts more than a week, or you're passing clots that are larger than a quarter, that's what we call heavy flow. This is known as menorrhagia, and it's more than just an inconvenience. It can leave you feeling weak, dizzy, or completely out of energy. Heavy periods can happen for a lot of reasons. Hormonal imbalances, stress, fibroids, or conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, are common causes. But no matter why it's happening, there are natural ways to feel better and regain control over your body. Let's explore them. The role of food in managing heavy periods. Let's start with your diet. What you eat can make a huge difference in how your body handles your period. Heavy bleeding drains your body of iron, which can leave you feeling tired and even lead to anemia. So, the first step is to eat foods that are high in iron. Think spinach, lentils, beans, tofu, and even lean red meat. These foods help replace the iron your body is losing and give you more energy. But here's a little trick. Pair your iron-rich foods with something high in vitamin C. Foods like oranges, strawberries, tomatoes, and bell peppers help your body absorb iron better. It's a simple combination, but it can really boost your energy and make you feel stronger. Also, try to avoid salty and processed foods. These can make bloating and cramps worse. Instead, stick to fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados or nuts. These foods not only support your overall health, but also make your periods feel a lot more manageable. Stay hydrated. It's simpler than you think. Drinking enough water might sound too basic to matter, but trust me, it's one of the easiest and most effective ways to feel better during your period. When you're dehydrated, cramps can feel worse, and your energy levels can drop even further. Try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. And if plain water isn't your thing, spice it up with a slice of lemon, cucumber, or mint. You can also drink herbal teas, which we'll talk about in a bit. Staying hydrated helps keep your body balanced and reduces bloating too. Herbal teas that work wonders. Speaking of herbal teas, they're a great natural remedy for heavy periods. Ginger tea, for example, is fantastic. It's easy to make and helps reduce inflammation, calm cramps, and even lower heavy bleeding. All you need is some fresh ginger, boiled in water, with a little honey for sweetness. Sip it slowly, and you'll start feeling better. Cinnamon tea is another great option. Cinnamon helps regulate your flow and soothes cramps. It's super easy to prepare. Just add a stick of cinnamon or some cinnamon powder to hot water. And let's not forget turmeric. A warm glass of turmeric milk is not only comforting but also helps balance your hormones and reduce discomfort. These teas are simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Gentle exercise can help more than you think. I get it. When your period is heavy, the last thing you want to do is exercise. But hear me out. Gentle movement can actually help. You don't need to go to the gym or do an intense workout. Just try some light yoga, stretching, or even a short walk. Yoga poses like child's pose or lying on your back with your legs up against the wall can relax your muscles and improve blood circulation. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement can make a big difference. It helps release endorphins, which are your body's natural painkillers, and can reduce both physical and mental discomfort. So, start small and see how it works for you. Stress and its impact on heavy periods. Let's talk about stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mood, it also messes with your hormones and can make your periods heavier. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. High levels of cortisol can throw off your menstrual cycle, making your flow heavier and your symptoms worse. So, what can you do about it? Start with simple relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises are a great place to begin. Just take a slow breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Do this for a few minutes, and you'll notice a difference. You can also try meditation, journaling, or even something as simple as listening to calming music. Find what works for you, and make it a part of your routine. Reducing stress doesn't just help your periods, it improves your overall health too. The importance of rest. When your body is dealing with a heavy period, it needs extra rest. Don't feel guilty about taking a break. You deserve it. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. If you're feeling extra tired during the day, take a nap. Rest helps your body recover and gives you the energy to handle the rest of your day. A little tip: try using a heating pad while you rest. It's amazing for soothing cramps and relaxing your muscles. You can place it on your lower abdomen or your lower back, depending on where the pain is worst. It's a simple way to feel a lot more comfortable. Tracking your period. Tracking your cycle is one of the easiest and most helpful things you can do. Use a period tracker app or even just a notebook to keep track of how heavy your flow is, how long it lasts, and any other symptoms you're experiencing. This helps you notice patterns, prepare for heavy days, and even identify triggers that might be making your symptoms worse. Tracking is also super helpful if you ever need to talk to a doctor. Having detailed information about your cycle makes it easier for them to understand what's going on and suggest the right treatments. Supplements that can support you. Sometimes your body needs a little extra help, and that's where supplements come in. Magnesium is a great option. It helps relax your muscles and can reduce cramps and heavy bleeding. Vitamin E is another one to consider. It's been shown to ease menstrual symptoms and lower blood flow. And of course, if heavy periods have left you anemic, an iron supplement can help restore your levels quickly. Always talk to a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements, especially if you're already taking other medications. Small changes add up over time. The best part about these tips, you don't have to do them all at once. Start small. Maybe begin by drinking more water or adding iron-rich foods to your diet. Once you've got that down, try adding a cup of ginger tea or doing some light yoga. These small changes might not seem like much, but over time, they can make a huge difference in how you feel during your period. When to see a doctor. While natural remedies can work wonders, sometimes heavy periods need more attention. If you're feeling dizzy, weak, or noticing large clots, it's time to talk to a doctor. They can help figure out what's causing the issue and recommend treatments that work alongside these natural tips. Don't ignore symptoms that feel extreme. It's always better to get them checked out. Heavy periods can feel like a lot, but they don't have to control your life. By making small, consistent changes, like eating better, staying hydrated, and finding ways to relax, you can take back control and feel better. Start with 1 or 2 tips, and as you get comfortable, add more. The key is to listen to your body and give it what it needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Earthluxe for more natural health tips. Share this video with someone who might need it, and we'll see you in the next one.